Hello everyone, it's your boy rickodebest, and in this video I'll be doing an unboxing on this COWIN E7 Pro headset. Let's see what we have inside the box here by COWIN. Inside the box here we have a nice case. Let's see what's inside this case. Okay, so we have the Bluetooth headset. Let's just set this aside for now and see what else we have inside this case. We have a VIP card where you could register and get free gift while the stocks last. So that's pretty nice from COWIN. We have their USB cable and it is branded COWIN. Here it is. We also have our 3.5mm auxiliary cable branded COWIN, so it's pretty premium. We also have a $1. I think this is a card where you could donate, or basically every purchase you do from them you donate $1 to some charity. And we have our user guide. This user guide, as you can see here, tells you the specification of everything you need to know about this guy right here. So as you can see, the load impedance is 16 ohm and the frequency range is 20 Hz to 20 kHz. So you could see this guide for all information you need. It's pretty thick, so I believe it carries a lot of instruction. It is in English and different language. So let's put all of this aside and see what we have here. So here we have the Bluetooth headset by COWIN. Once again, this is the E7 Pro. This is a 2018 edition. It's feel premium, and this here have a nice cushion, so it should be comfortable on the head. Let me just remove this plastic here. So at the bottom here we have the port for your auxiliary cable, we have the mic, we have your on and off switch to put it to Bluetooth and to put it on NC. I believe NC is, I'm not sure what that is at the moment, but on this one here we have USB port with a light indicator to charge the device, and we also have some buttons here, your volume buttons up and down. I think that's about it. I'll be also put the link for this product in the description, so if you're interested in purchasing it you could check the link down below in the description. So I'm just gonna put on this device here and get it hooked up to my phone to see what the sound quality is like. Okay, so I'm just gonna connect this Bluetooth headset to my phone. So I'm just gonna turn it on to Bluetooth. Not sure if there is a power, so we have a blue indicator flashing. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the Bluetooth on my phone and try to see if it will find it. Yeah, so we have the E10 there. Okay, so it is connected. While the headset is connected via Bluetooth, you could press the up volume button, which is a +1. If you short press it, it will go to the next song, and for volume down, which is the minus, if you short press it, it will repeat, or if you short press it twice, it will go to the previous song. This button right here is to answer phone call, so you could press this button to pause a song, or to play a song, or to end the call. You could also long press this button for pairing, but as you could see earlier on, as I turned the Bluetooth on, I could just went ahead and connect it with my phone. It didn't ask for a pin or anything like that. One thing I never mentioned about these headset, I picked them up on Amazon for $89.99, and I believe they're having some coupon because I get $9 off, which is nice. And COWIN actually say the playtime on this is actually 30 hours. I haven't seen anything in the user guide that says the battery life is actually 30 hours, but they said you could get up to 30 hours playtime, so it's pretty good if you're traveling on a long journey or you have a long flight. Okay guys, so while the camera was off, I went ahead and play some music. I don't want to play it while the camera is on because you know that YouTube and the copyright policy. I must say this headset from COWIN, it has excellent sound quality. Out of 10, I'm gonna say I would rate it overall an 8, and for the mids and high, out of 10 I will give it a nice 8, and for the bass I will give the bass about a 6. However, on my phone here I use an app called Player Pro, which give me an equalizer, so I could actually tune it to how I like it. So if you're using something like this where you could adjust the bass, I would say, man, I give this thing 10 out of 10 for the bass. This thing sound as if you have two 12-inch bumping in your car. But in order to get that bass, I'm going to show you a demonstration of what I did to get that heavy pounding bass with this equalizer. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and do a demonstration. At the moment I am talking, I must say that this thing is really good at noise cancelling. I could hardly hear myself. So if you're on this thing, I would recommend that you play it at moderate volume so you could be aware of your surrounding. Unless you know your surrounding is safe, then you could go ahead and just turn it up. So for me to get that deep pounding bass, like I have two 12-inch pounding, what I have to do is to use the equalizer as I said, and this one allow me to, like, I could adjust 32 hertz. Turn it up, play the song, and I had to do this. So when I do that, it sounds like I have thunderclapping bass. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but I get excellent bass. I would say 10 out of 10 like that. If I keep it on like this and use the app, I would say 8 out of 10. But other than that, it's fine. The next thing with this, it is adjustable. So if you have a big head like mine, you're gonna need to adjust it to fit comfortable. And also you could just put it over your shoulder. It twists like, let me see if I got it right. Oh, I should have the right. The right supposed to be on the right side. So if I put it over like this, it's fine. I don't have any problems. Normally with big bulky headset like this, if you have it like this, sometimes to turn, it's not comfortable, if you know what I mean. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and if you do, please feel free to like it, share it, comment, and subscribe. And remember, the link is in the description for this headset, so you can go ahead and purchase it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.